Alright, check it out. I got a little cat toy here. This thing's flimsy. I'm gonna staple it up here. Let's staple this up here as well. Boom, boom. And how am I gonna do that? With this. That's right. Let's do this. Get a nice little staple right there. 2-for-1 action. Boom. That was crazy. 2-for-1 action. Except it did work, but it popped out a millimeter. I can feel that it would, so I'll just get a little hammer. You see, now the cats can play. This thing won't tip over. This little cheap toy. It's for the outside cats. This is one of them. This is Batman. And I don't know where the other one is. She around here though. But there you go. Milwaukee cable stapler. Works for other stuff. Milwaukee is pet friendly. Used it to staple that little clip up there. And now the cats are happy to play. Street cats, they live in the back. Milwaukee cable stapler. Boom, bing, bam, boom, bing, boom, bam. Look at that. Sheesh. Nice. What do we have? 3.0.